What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessa. Y'all, we're here with a mukbang, a QuesaBirria mukbang. But before we get anything started, y'all, go ahead and do what it do. You know what goes on. We're gonna go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, all of that stuff. I feel like I'm out of practice since it's been so long since I posted. So yeah, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment along, and yeah, let's get shit rolling. So anyways, y'all, we are here with a QuesaBirria mukbang. I've got some tacos, QuesaBirria tacos. The consommé is gonna fall, but I'll show you guys the cheesy fucking deliciousness. QuesaBirria. We are here at Taqueria Azteca. I think this is a good, yeah, that's good. That's a good thumbnail. There's juice dripping all over my hand. Anyways, I made such a mess, y'all. Let's stay on track. I like to get all off track and shit. Okay, so we're here at Taqueria Azteca. It's in Dublin, California. They're pretty poppin' on Instagram. They have birria pho, and they also do like their QuesaBirria tacos. So there's literally two taquerias in Dublin, which this is where I live. I live in Dublin. There's literally only two taquerias in Dublin, California. And this one is a pretty big hit. It does the Instagram worthy-esque foods. There's another one down the street that I can't stand. But let's take a bite because, let's also open the jarritos. I got two jarritos. There we go. Okay, cheers. Oh, so carbonated. Excuse me. I'm eating outside because if I go inside, my video won't be able to be online because they have music inside. But oh my god, this is all over the place. So what I did was I was making a Instagram post. So it might be a little cold. Probably not. I think we're good. So good. I've had some QuesaBirria where like the consommé is super salty. I'm like, this is like perfect. It's perfect. I got extra cheese on it because like, why not? The meat is so tender. Like, look at that. It's so tender. It's just so good. So good, y'all. So it is Hispanic Heritage Month, and I will be showcasing for the next 30 days taquerias. I dripped all this juice all over the place. Taquerias, Mexican restaurants, Salvadorian, you know, all that stuff. If you guys are interested in like a certain type of Hispanic food, let me know. But yeah, check out my Instagram and my TikTok. Everything is going to be in the description box below. My TikTok has blown up. I got a post on there that got like 2 million views. So that blew up, which then my Instagram blew up, which then my YouTube got like a lot of subscribers too. So yeah, go check out my stuff. But yeah, my food is like a complete mess because there's only one taco that's not, like one QuesaBirria that's untouched. But the other ones, I was doing like cheese pool content and like, yeah. But if you want to see, like, I got paper. There's paper on it. If you want to see what that looks like, go ahead and check out my Instagram. Whoa. Link in bio. Oh my god, what am I saying? Oh, that one's the one I put lemon on. Dude, this is, look at this meat, like, so tender. Oh yeah, oh my god, it's fucking phenomenal, man. I miss the taco. So I wrote down some stuff to talk about because obviously this is like an eating and talking mukbang channel, and I'm always like, oh my god, I overthink. So what we're gonna talk about is as to why I haven't been making any content, and I went like 5 weeks without making a video. Oh god, that's so good. That's so good. Hella bomb. So I think pretty much what it comes down to is that I overthink every situation in my life. So I'm like, I overthink what I want to eat. I overthink what I want to talk about. And then I overthink the situation, like with gaining weight, right? Oh my god. These are so good. I think the main thing is I overthink my weight. I don't want to gain weight making mukbang videos. And not that I have gained weight from doing the food stuff, because anytime I do gain weight, it's because I'm like in this weird low vibrational rut where I don't want to do anything. I don't want to work out. I just eat horrible food. And so it's not from like making content or anything. It's just a mental thing. So look at that cheese. Look at that cheese. Look at that cheese. Oh my god. So yeah, I don't want to gain a bunch of weight, so therefore I just don't make content, or primarily for my YouTube. I just don't make content for my YouTube. But I decided I need to say fuck it and stop overthinking and just make the content, because if I don't do it, then my channel will never grow. If I keep on doing how I'm doing things, it's never gonna grow. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of thinking, and obviously I overthink. So I went to the gym. I was on a treadmill for like 45 minutes. And then I did a lot of lower body exercises. But for sure, as long as I'm consistent and I just fucking put content out, everything's Gucci, right? So that's why I post and then I don't post, and I post and I don't post. Overthinking mental stuff. I don't know if like y'all have that issue. I know I'm not alone in this. I know like I'm not unique, terminally unique. But anyways, let me know down below if you like suffer from overthinking or like cognitive distortions, because I definitely do. Excuse me. Thank God there's no one here. I really wanted to eat inside, but then I heard they were playing the radio, and I'll get a copyright fucking something on my shit, and then I won't make any money off of that video. I totally wish I was better at critiquing food. All I can tell you is it's bomb. It's fucking bomb. Super good. Have y'all guys had any QuesaBirria? Is there a QuesaBirria near y'all anywhere? Oh, so delicioso. Fuck. I'm not sure if I forgot anything else in my intro. I like have to I have to go back to my videos and like see how I open them up, because like I forgot. But I put up all my thumbnails, guys. I think you guys saw that. If you guys have been following me since the get-go, then you know. You just know me, I guess, in a sense. But I finally put up all of the thumbnails on my YouTube videos. So I caught up. I edited all of the descriptions, y'all. I caught up, okay? I'm trying. I'm doing my best, because I really do want this to be my career, and I need to take it serious. So I literally talk to myself all the fucking time. Like, bitch, you need to just like stop overthinking. Just put out fucking content. Just excuse me. Just do it. Like, what the fuck, bitch? Stop overthinking. Stop being lazy and get your ass up and go to the fucking gym. Like, I literally have to say that. One headitos down. Let me see if I can move. I have to move my phone onto the napkin holder. There you go. That's from being a raging alcoholic. I still haven't drank. It's been a year and 2 months since last July. Haven't drank any alcohol, but I started smoking again because I want to. All right, guys, last bite. Fucking delicious. I'm like, this guy walking up to the restaurant, like looking at me. Can I help you? Oh, I made a mess, y'all. Oh God. All right. Anyways, y'all, thanks for jumping and driving, rocking and rolling, keeping up with me in my food endeavors and my crazy videos. They're so crazy. Just kidding. I'm gonna get going. I brought my scooter. Can you see it? It's right there. Because that's like my main mode of transportation, right? Here's the cool outside area. Oh, so fucking carbonated. See, I gotta get rid of that double chin, bruh. Bruz. Hey, bruz, I need to get rid of this double chin. Anyways, I'm so happy that you guys are still with me on my channel. Have you seen my teeth? No, I'm good. I also got like $2,000 worth of like work done in my mouth, pretty much. Like a bunch of fillings and shit. So that's another update on my life. But anyways, y'all, I love you guys and thank you for rocking with me. I'm going to scoot back home. Oh my god, I'm gonna be burping like literally all the way home. I'm gonna try to finish this jarritos, the piña jarritos. Muy carbonation. Wow. Anyways, all right. I love you guys. I'll see you later, whenever I'll see you. And follow me on Instagram. I'm looking that way because my face is that way, but the camera is that way. So I'm gonna look at the camera. Okay. Follow me on Instagram. The description, everything will be in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe. I obviously fucking don't know how to use words right now. But yes, go and do all of those things for me because please. Anyways, all right. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.